Hello viewers, good morning. I am Miss Pragati. Now you will hear the Gita philosophy and its importance from Professor Kamakhya Prasad Das, HOD in History, Government College Koraput, Odisha. Thank you.
Friends, the Gita is the point of light within the mind of Sri Krishna that streams forth into the mind of mankind through Arjuna and descends on the earth. It is the point of love within the heart of Krishna that streams forth into the hearts of mankind to reform the world through Arjuna. So let's enjoy and experience it. The Gita is the will of Krishna for the purpose of guiding the little will of mankind, which the Master knows only. Here, Krishna stands as the icon of the Master and Arjuna as the icon of disciple. Here, Krishna is the central unit of willpower that flows to us through Arjuna. The entire scheme of love and light of the universe is worked out through this Gita philosophy that comes down to us within the evil power dwells in the human. Light, love and power is restored in us through the Gita philosophy to reassure our righteous existence on this earth. It is the beauty and strength of mankind. So, it is the beauty and strength of mankind. Friends, the Gita philosophy enhances the beauty and strength of mind through its simplicity and pleasant expression of certain central truths. This has been intimately and normally accepted by the mankind. Here, the basic intelligence of Supreme Soul has come down to us with its philosophical descriptive lines. Friends, the Gita philosophy proves that love is the motivating power of the universe, but it should be backed by duty, because one finds the truth of life through love and duty. Will of Krishna has rightly been experimented through love and intelligence. So friends, divinity is a basic ingredient of human which need to be nurtured and cultivated by an appropriate time. This philosophy is self-evident and self-tried. The entire invocation of the Gita is revelatory storehouse of energy. It deals with cause and effect theory of the universe. It experiences new and better things always. So let's examine it. The Gita demonstrates that the human consciousness is always moving onward in pursuit of a greater light. Its usual invocative appeal is eternal in its formulation. So, the concept of divine love has come down to us through this Gita philosophy, and let's enjoy and experience it once. The Gita has no personal appeal or temporal invocative urge. So, it is just a treatise of humanity's basic need and fears while experiencing hardship. So friends, it is just a solution paper to the doubts, questions and queries of the mind and the heart. It is just an energy source that helps us to live and move upward direction. So, the Gita philosophy helps for transformation of the existing soul. It makes one the being. It justifies past, present and future. It never allows any very pilgrimage. It speaks about our return journey and finds way for the humanity. Let's examine it. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our channel. See you in the next episode.